Given the right materials, there's almost no end to MacGyver's ingenuity. Imprisoned and surrounded, there's just one way to get the bloke with the broken leg to freedom. Build a two-man aeroplane. Tori starts the engine, removes the chocks, and runs for cover.
Run, run!
MacGyver's reputation will be junked or justified in the next 5 seconds.
That was it!
It went like this.
If that's a glide, I'd hate to see a plummet. There was just enough power to keep the 3 wheels airborne, but the tail looked more like a vertical plow.
I think MacGyver and his bamboo ultralight is busted.